with another video, mukbang part 2. So tonight I'm going to be giving a couple shout outs and other things. So until then, mukbang night again. It's Asian cuisine. So I got wonton wonton. Got me a spring roll with some of the sweet chili sauce. And I have some teriyaki chicken with some fried rice. So let's go on down the road of eating. Especially got some great shout outs coming up. That dip right there, I might have to savor this. Don't use it all. This right here, bomb diggity. Everybody said, where my wonton dang? Don't mind the noise in the background. So, comment, like, and subscribe to my channel. Uh-oh, I missed something. Gotta make sure I got it all. See, I had to lift it up and look. Yep, ain't got enough space I'm using. There I it's picking quite like that. Yes, you got a clip of my mouthful too. So the interesting thing on this video is I'm a cook at this specific restaurant. I will be giving away all details at the end. I need to bring some support to this. Should got something to drink. I'm chowing so fast I ain't getting nothing to drink. Okay, he's good. It's time to get something to drink. I'll be back. Welcome. Don't ever drink enough water. Water's good for the body. If you could hear how fast I'm gobbling this water down, you'd be like, damn. Not saying it in a bad way, in a good way, YouTube. So I want kids to be able to come to my channel and laugh with me when they see things. Here, my YouTube family, take a bite. Man, chewing is crazy. I had some friends that used to be like, girl, if you don't slow down, chew your food, I know you ain't over there swallowing. Swallow be swallowing all my food. Every time we go out, they be like, if you don't chew, it's gonna be a problem. They be like, dang, did she just swallow that? Yep. I ain't supposed to chew so your food can digest right, but I got a habit of not chewing and just swallowing my stuff. Now, if I was eating some chow mein, y'all be like, oh yeah, she just gobbled that. Don't even know if she ate it or not. Alright, time for a little shout out. I'm giving a special shout out to my Pei Wei family from Arizona and Florida. You came to my hometown and showed me some good traits and trade on cooking. And hopefully one day I can come to your neck of the woods and be like, it's time for me to show how it's supposed to be done. So special shout out to the Pei Wei family from Florida and Arizona. A lot of y'all don't know, Pei Wei is a Asian cuisine type place. It's a little, I call it the uppity joint. To me, I call it the uppity joint. Others might call it otherwise, but it's an Asian restaurant. Alright, y'all. I'm done for the night. Put it to the side. Don't mind me. You catch me in every video doing this. But, like, comment, subscribe. If you have any suggestions on videos for me, any A and Qs, I don't have a problem doing all that. I'm just out here making it better for myself and for others to show that it's always great an opportunity out here. Good night, Rose family.